Hello dear children, welcome back to science class. Today we are going to begin with the 10th chapter, measurement. Now look into these pictures here. Here we have a scale, a thermometer, a clock, measuring jar, weighing machine, weighing scale, two boys who are measuring their heights. We also have a measuring tape that is measuring the size of apples. Now, when you look into these pictures, we see that these are the things that we use in our daily life, isn't it? Yes, but why do we use them? We use these different things to measure the size or quantity of objects, isn't it? Yes, for example, we use a scale to measure the length of an object. Same like that, we can also use a measuring tape to measure an object's length. For example, if we need to measure the temperature of our body, we use a thermometer. For example, we need to measure the time. We use a clock or a watch. You need to know how much is the amount of liquid that is added into this jar. We need to measure that liquid. So by measuring them, we will know what is the size of an item, or we will also get an idea about the quantity of an item. As you see here, in case of carrots, if you need to buy carrots, when you go to the shopkeeper, he measures it and he gives it to you, isn't it? Yes, so he says either 1 kg, that is 1 kilogram of carrots, or say 500 grams of carrot. So again, he measures that and he hands it over to you. So we need to measure various things. So measurement will give us an idea about the size of an object or about the quantity of a material. So what is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding the size or quantity of an item or a material. So by measuring, you will know about the size or quantity of an item or a material. Now, when you want to measure the temperature of your body, it is measured in degrees Celsius or in degree Fahrenheit. Now, when you want to measure the length of an object, we measure that with the help of a scale or with a measuring tape, and it is measured in centimeters or in meters. But when you want to measure the weight of an object, we do that in kilograms or in grams. So all these measurements will have a different unit. So what is a unit? Unit is a fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement. So whenever you want to measure length is always measured in centimeters or meters. You cannot measure that in degree Celsius or in degree Fahrenheit. But when you measure temperature is measured in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. You cannot measure that in grams or in kilograms, which means you cannot change these units of measurement. So unit is a fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement. Now let us see few of the measurements that we do in our day-to-day life. Now, when we want to measure the length of a line, how do we do it? Yes, look into this picture here. Here we have a line starting from A to B. How do we measure this line? Yes, we can measure this line with the help of a scale. Now, when you want to stitch your clothes or when you want to measure the length of your cloth, how do you do that? Yes, we can do that with the help of a measuring tape, like how you see here in the picture. Now, you go to a shop, you need to buy things. But how does the shopkeeper provide you with the things? He sells it after measuring it, isn't it? Yes, so we use a weighing scale or a weighing machine to measure things like fruits, vegetables, or cereals, sugar, etc. Now, how do you check or how do you measure time? Yes, we have a watch that you can tie it in your hand. We call that as wristwatch. or you can even use a clock to measure time. Now, how do we measure liquid? When you pour certain amount of liquid into a jar, how do we measure that? So we can measure the capacity of liquids with the help of measuring cylinder. So the volume of liquids can be measured with measuring cylinder. Volume means it is the amount of liquid that the jar can hold. So for example, this is a jar that has a measurement up till 250 ml. But we have filled this jar with milk only up till this mark 200. So we say that the volume of liquid in this jar is 200 ml. So milk that is filled in this jar, or the amount of milk filled in this jar, is 200 ml. So we can use a measuring cylinder to measure liquids. Now we all know that we can use a thermometer to measure temperature. So these are the various measurements that we do in our day-to-day life. Now let us see what are the standard units. We have learnt that a unit is a fixed quantity used as a standard of measurement. Now let us see what are the standard units of measurement. Each of the measurement will have a standard unit. Say for example, for length, the standard unit is meter, which means length is measured in meters and that is the standard unit. Capacity is nothing but the amount of liquid, or it is the volume of liquid. So capacity is always measured in liters. So the standard unit of capacity is liters. Standard unit of time is seconds. Standard unit of mass, that is weight, it is kilogram. Standard unit of temperature is degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. So length is always measured in meter. Capacity, its standard unit is liter. Standard unit of time is seconds. And weight or mass, its standard unit is kilogram. And the standard unit of temperature is either degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit.